Lesson 3. Mind your own business. The rich focus on their asset columns, while everyone else focuses on their income statements. Most people spend their lives working for other people. That can include their employer, the government via taxes, and banks via their mortgages. Most people stay trapped in this cycle of working for other people and making those people rich instead of themselves. You don't have to start your own company to break this cycle. In fact, all you have to do is focus on growing your assets instead of only relying on your income. Many people live paycheck to paycheck and can never free themselves from the rat race because they don't have assets working for them. Net worth is a bad proxy for how much money you have because often the things that you use to make that calculation aren't as valuable as you think they are, or if they have gained value, they will trigger taxes on the gain once they're sold. When you're young, the best thing you can do is keep your liabilities low and start using your excess cash flow from your job to build a solid foundation of assets. There are a few different types of common assets. A business that does not require your presence. For example, you own a business that is managed or run by other people. If you have to be there, it's a job, not a business. Stocks, bonds, income-generating real estate, notes, IOUs, royalties from intellectual property such as music, scripts, and patents, anything else that has value, produces income or appreciates, and has a ready market. It's important to focus on acquiring assets that you love. Some people love real estate and startups. Other people feel burdened or scared by these types of assets. An important part of your asset acquisition strategy is to invest in things that align with forms of income generation that work for you. Great quotes. Number 1. Once a dollar goes into it, never let it come out. Think of it this way. Once a dollar goes into your asset column, it becomes your employee. The best thing about money is that it works 24 hours a day and can work for generations. Number 2. Financial struggle is often directly the result of people working all their lives for someone else. Many people will simply have nothing at the end of their working days to show for their efforts. Number 3. An important distinction is that rich people buy luxuries last, while the poor and middle class tend to buy luxuries first.